If you're seeing the GOG Error E15, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This error usually happens when the app shortcut inside GOG Galaxy is broken, or when the installation files are missing or out of sync. The good news is, there's a simple way to force the client to recognize the game correctly again. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, open GOG Galaxy and go to your library. Find the game that is causing the E15 error and click on it. This is the game that's having the problem, so make sure you select the correct one. Next, look for the Customize or Options button next to the Play button. Click it to open the game management settings. From there, go to Manage Installation and then choose Show Folder. This will take you directly to the game's installation directory on your computer. Once the folder opens, look for the Uninstallation File inside the game files. In many cases, this missing or broken file is what causes the E15 error to appear. If you find the Uninstallation File, double-click it and run it directly. This action can force close the broken process and help reset the installation state. If the shortcut inside the launcher was the issue, this step often clears the problem immediately. Now, if your goal is not to uninstall the game, but instead to update it or reinstall it properly, there's one more important step you should try first. Go back to GOG Galaxy, click the Game Options icon again, and select Manage Installation. This time, choose Verify or Repair. This is a very useful fix because it checks your game files for missing or damaged data and recreates the missing uninstallation file if needed. In many cases, that is exactly what stops the E15 error from blocking future actions, like updating, repairing, or reinstalling the game. Let the verification process complete before trying anything else. Once it finishes, go back and try your original action again, whether that's launching the game, updating it, or reinstalling it. At this point, the E15 error should be gone, or at least significantly reduced. If the issue was caused by a broken file tree, verifying and repairing the installation is usually the best fix. So to quickly recap, open GOG Galaxy, select the affected game, go to Customize or Options, open Manage Installation, show the folder, and run the uninstallation file if needed. If you're still stuck, use Verify or Repair to rebuild the missing files and clean up the installation. That should resolve the GOG E15 error and get your game working again. If this tutorial helped, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful fixes, and I'll see you in the next one.